Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drone with camera under $300. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Globalfun Hadron with camera. Brand name, Globalfun Hood. Model number, GWF11. Professional GPS drones. 2K HD follow me quadcopter. Flight time, about 25 minutes. GPS/GLONASS double mode, yes. 5G Wi-Fi image transmission distance, 400 to 500 meters. Camera, 120-degree wide-angle camera. Weight, about 490 grams. Number 4. ZLL Drone with 4K HD camera. Brand name, ZLL. Model number, SG907. Flight time 16 to 18 minutes. Performance. Flight distance 500 meters. Battery capacity, 7.4 volts 1600 mAh lithium battery. 5G 4K ultra clear camera. 5G 1080p HD camera. Camera lens angle, 120-degree lens adjustment angle, 90-degree. 5G HD image transmission. 4K HD camera. 50x zoom. 4K super clear record. Number 3. JJRC GPS Drone with HD camera. Brand name, JJRC. Model number, X8. HD real-time FPV transmission. 5 grams Wi-Fi camera, 1080p videos and photos, 720p real-time transmission. Support aerial photography, record everything you want. 16 to 18 minutes flight time, more time for you to shoot. GPS positioning and altitude hold, stabilize the RC drone while in flying or hovering, help to shoot clear photos. Follow me mode, the drone will fly following you automatically. Hot point, interesting flight, the drone will fly in a circle around the point which is chose. Number 2. ZLL 4K RC Drone. Brand name, ZLL. Camera, 120-degree wide-angle camera. Drone battery, 11.1 volt 1800 milliamperes. Flight time, about 23 to 25 minutes. Charging time, about 180 minutes. Control distance, 1000 meters. 5G Wi-Fi image transmission distance, 800 meters. Aerial image configuration parameters, 4K. Video resolution on mobile phone, 1920x 1080p. Photo resolution down-looking camera, 3840x 2160p. Number 1. SMRC GPS Foldable Drone. Brand name, SMRC. Model, W1. GPS Foldable Arm FPV with 4K 1080p camera. RC Drone Quadcopter RTF High-Speed Wi-Fi. 1080p HD adjustable camera. Remote controller distance, about 200 meter. Camera Wi-Fi transmission distance, about 200 meters. Battery for quadcopter, 7.6 volt 1300 milliamperes LiPo battery. Flying time, about 12 to 14 minutes. Product weight, with battery, about 220 grams. The drone will automatically return to home, never worrying about losing the drone. Color, white and gray.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.